Today we are going to recite the poem A Time to Believe. I'll read it and you also repeat after me. Okay? To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. Now see this paragraph. It is written by B.J. Morbidzer. In this paragraph he is saying that we should have belief on our own self. We should believe that every day will be a new starting. And we should also trust करना यानी विश्वास करना. We should trust that miracles will happen. What is miracle? Miracle means चमत्कार. तो चमत्कार भी होते हैं. And dreams really do come. Now you might have seen some dream कि एक दिन मैं ऐसा बनूँगा, एक दिन मैं ये करूँगा. तो ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो कम ट्रू. हमको अपने में बिलीव रखना है. वी शुड कीप अ बिलीव दैट दिस ड्रीम विल कम ट्रू. आई विल वर्क हार्ड एंड दिस विल हैपन. ओके नाउ सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. टू बिलीव इज टू सी एंजल्स dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Now you can see on the left side meanings are also given. So to believe is to see angels, means children you believe na that angels also come, means fairies also come. Stories में आपने सुना है दादा दादी से that fairies they come and they give some surprise. So same way angels, the poet is saying that angels dance among the clouds. And we should also know the sky, magical quality of the sky. Stardust means sky में भी कुछ magic हो सकता है. We should have believe that. And the wisdom of the man in the moon. Wisdom of the man means knowledge. So knowledge, we should have believe in knowledge of the man. That means this paragraph means that we should have belief in angels which are dancing among the clouds. It is to know that beauty and magical quality of the sky is filled with stars, and we should accept the wisdom of man in the moon. Okay, now let's proceed to third paragraph. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a pure child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. Now here one word is coming, nurturing. Nurturing means see on the left side, providing nourishment, care and protection. So we should have belief that nurturing heart किसको बोलेंगे कि जो हार्ट हमारे लिए केयर करता है. जैसे लाइक इन योर होम your mother is caring for you. The innocence of a child's eyes. चाइल्ड की आंखों में देखेंगे तो वो कैसी लगती हैं, एकदम प्योर, मतलब वो कुछ भी अपराध नहीं कर सकती. तो सेम वे वी शुड हैव बिलीव इन चाइल्ड्स आईज, इनोसेंस ऑफ द पर्सन. वी शुड हैव बिलीव इन द हार्ट हु इज़ केयरिंग फॉर अस. एंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ एन एजिंग हैंड. एजिंग हैंड मीन्स एजिंग किसको कहा गया है, जो दोज पर्सन हु आर growing old now, like in your house there is your grandparents are there, तो they are growing old और उनका हाथ में ब्यूटी है. मीन्स कभी कभी आप बोलते हो ना, दादी आप खाना बनाओ, आपका हाथ खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो दैट मीन्स ब्यूटी ऑफ एन एजिंग हैंड, फॉर इट इज़ थ्रू देयर टीचिंग वी लर्न टू लव. what they teach us, what our elders are teaching us, what this nurturing heart means, caring. Your mother and father, they are caring for you. What they are teaching us, that we should learn to love. एक दूसरे से हमें कैसे रहना चाहिए, प्यार से. Now see next paragraph. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. All of you know that we are having strength and bravery, courage within us. स्ट्रेंथ क्या होता है, कैपेसिटी, कोई काम करने की ताकत. एंड करेज मीन्स ब्रेवरी. तो ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट वी हैव कैपेसिटी एंड ब्रेवरी विद इन अस. हमको क्या करना है, इसको फाइंड आउट करना है. and it is time. Pick up the pieces. Pick up the pieces means return to normal after a shock or disaster. We have to start from again, normal again. तो हमको ये बिलीव रखना है कि when it is time to get over a shock or disaster, जैसे अभी कोरोना चल रहा है, again we will start our normal life, है ना. कोरोना जाने के बाद, और if vaccine comes, we will start our normal life again. So that means that time we will pick up the pieces and begin again, है ना. So we will start our school again. So that for that we can say it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. तब तक हमको क्या करना है? We should have believe in our strength and courage. जो हमारे अंदर ताकत है उसके ऊपर बिलीव रखो. And to believe is to know we are never alone. That life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. What is the meaning of cherish? Cherish means protect and care. Now in this life, tell me whether you are living alone. No, you are living with your parents, your family, your society, है ना. So that means we are never alone. If any problem comes, our parents are there to help, our society is there to help, and even God is there to help. So that life, we should also believe that life is a gift. ये life हमको gift किसने दिया? Who has given this gift? God has given to us. And this is our time to cherish it. Cherish means we have to protect and care it. हमको अपना केयर करना है, एंड इसे संभाल कर यूज़ करना है. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. मतलब अपना टाइम दूसरी गंदी चीज़ों में वेस्ट करेंगे, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? आवर लाइफ बिकम वेस्ट, है ना. सो गॉड हैज़ गिवन दिस लाइफ फॉर यूजिंग विथ केयर एंड प्रोटेक्शन. ओके, नाउ सी द लास्ट स्टैंजा. टू बिलीव इज टू नो that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if we believe. Now we should have believed that some surprises which are wonderful बड़े बड़े surprises we can get it. ऐसा नहीं है कि we are poor so we cannot attain something, है ना. तो wonderful surprises we will get, लेकिन उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, है ना. सो आवर ऑल होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स, वॉट एवर ड्रीम्स यू आर लुकिंग, वॉट एवर ड्रीम्स यू आर थिंकिंग इन योर माइंड कि मुझे तो एक दिन डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे एक दिन पायलट बनना है, तो यू कैन अचीव दोज ड्रीम्स. वो सब हम लोगों की रीच में है. वी कैन रीच दैम. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू अचीव दैम, बट वी शुड हैव वन बिलीव इन अस. ओके, so this is a beautiful poem. It was written by B.J. Morbitzer. Now and at the end of this poem, just one short story I'll tell you. You know, you heard about Albert Einstein. He was born in Germany in the year 1879. So Albert Einstein, he became a great scientist. He was a physician and his theory of relativity, these are very famous. So what happened? We will discuss only about his early education. Means when he was a child, he was very poor and he was a poor student. And what happened? The teacher said that he is mentally retarded. मतलब वो डम बच्चा है, वो पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकता. इस तरह उसको बोलकर स्कूल से निकाल दिया. But then because he was unable to speak for some few years, but then also he had courage. उसने हिम्मत नहीं छोड़ी. And in 6 years he started playing violin. And at 12 he invented geometry. जो आज हम लोग lines, point ये सब के बारे में पढ़ते हैं ना, that he invented. And after becoming elder, he has done many inventions. So this way Einstein from Einstein's story we understood that if we have belief in ourselves, we can become great person or we can do anything, any miracle. Okay, so children, you should have belief in yourself, see dreams and do work hard for making them true. Okay, thank you.